Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A52s, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this phone. So number one, you want to start off by opening up the content that you wish to capture. I'll be using settings as an example for this, and once it's open and visible on the screen, simply press power key and volume down at the same time. Just a simple click of those. When you're doing this for the first time, you will need to allow the phone access to storage. And there we go, it captures it. Now it gives you a couple options, but I will focus only on this one. So once you tap on this, it will allow you to scroll down. So this will allow you to basically capture a longer version of your screenshot. Now once you're done, you can simply just let it click somewhere and it will disappear and capture the long version of it, overwriting the initial short one. And you can also obviously do it just by clicking it and not interacting with it at all, which will capture just the screen itself and everything that is seen there. So now from here we can navigate to our gallery application where we will find our two screenshots. So there's the first one, and then there is the scrollable one, as you can see. So that is how we capture a screenshot on this phone, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.